My name is Dmitry, owner and founder of Stormgroup Roofing. We're in the St. Paul Historic District. Is right behind me is a job that we did about 4 or 5 years ago that, according to these homeowners, one of the worst roofing jobs they've seen in their life. According to their review on Yelp, here's the review. Would never recommend them, nothing but headaches. Within 6 months we have a leak, and no, they do not stand by that either and blame our ventilation. We had multiple problems along the way also. Several contractors have told us the roof they just put on is bad. Yes, it is called to the Better Business Bureau time. Nobody ever called Better Business Bureau, because if they did, actually we would dispute it with the Better Business Bureau, and Better Business Bureau would easily remove the review because it's fake, it's disparaging, it doesn't state the facts. In the St. Paul Historic District, you have to pull several permits. One of them is a historic district requirements. You cannot alter the house. You're very limited as a contractor what you can do. Like, for example, in this house right here, we've been doing some gutter work, and it's very custom. So even if you don't have a slope, you can't just change the slope or add something new or aluminum gutters like you would add in any other house. So what happened here, we installed one of the best roofing systems out there. It's Atlas StoreMaster shingles, 20-year warranty shingle. According to the homeowner, many contractors have told them that they have bad roof, and they were talking about other leaks and problems. So here's what happened in this one. We installed the roof in the summertime, and in the wintertime, in February, we received a call that they have a leak. Roofs don't leak in the winter, don't they? So we came out, and sure enough, we went through the attic door through the house, and we've seen a lot of frost under the deck. What happened is, most likely some moisture and heat air was escaped recently through the attic access door, or maybe a pipe somewhere was disconnected. We don't know why, but we took a picture, showed it to homeowners. Hey, it's not coming from the outside, it's the moisture and heat air came from the inside, actually trapped it all in the wintertime, and when the temperature dropped below freezing, it started dropping in the attic. So that's the cause of the leak. Nothing to do with the shingles, nothing to do with the roof. We would invite manufacturers of those shingles in here to inspect the roof. We would invite the city of St. Paul to inspect the roof. We stand behind our roof. We contacted Yelp many times for the homeowner to reply to this. Hey, can you show us any contractor in the country who will say this is a bad job? At Storm Group, we do stand behind our work. We guarantee you this is one of the best craftsmanships roofs you can find, not only in St. Paul, but probably in the country. There's 6 nails per shingle everywhere. So the point is, guys, companies like Yelp, they make us look bad, keeping reviews, false statements like this on the internet. And as a business owner, I don't have any other choice but to make video like this for public to explain why my roofs don't leak and why we get reviews like this. This is the only review in 6 years that my company received that actually states that the roof we put on actually a bad roof. We got a couple of reviews bad about, you know, being late on a job, or price being too high, or not returning phone call on time, or communication issues. Those are different issues. But when people are saying, hey, you're the roofer and you installed bad roof, we take that seriously, and we want to educate you on the best practices, best techniques, how to install new roofs. And also we want to assure you that if your roof will leak in the years to come, we're going to be there to fix it. So Mary Kay, if you have problems with your roof, give us a call. We're going to come out and inspect it and check it out. And even if we have to redo it 100% from start to finish, we will do that for you. But we're not going to leave with 1-star review. Yelp, we want your attention. Please read it. Please contact this homeowner, because right now we are taking legal action. This is costing us business. We're not going to just sit back and look and listen how people go on the internet and saying we're installing bad roofs, because we're not. Check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the topic today in comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.